Hello friends, welcome back to Love Medics. Today's topic is about hiccups. What is hiccups? Hiccups is a repetitive, uncontrolled contraction of diaphragm muscle. Diaphragm muscle, it is the muscle which separates the thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. The hiccups is also called as singultus. Hiccups means spasmodic contraction of diaphragm or other inspiratory muscles. The hic sound produced due to sudden closure of glottis. What are the causes of hiccups? Overeating, spicy food, alcohol, soda, very hot food and cold food items, by stress condition or excitation that leads to hiccups. And other medical conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disorder, sore throat, goiter, tumor, cyst in the throat, and nervous disorders. Many different ways are there to stop the hiccups. They are hold the breath, have a single glass of water or sugar, pull out your tongue with hands, breathe into a paper bag, forceful exhale with mouth and nose closed, sit or lie and bring your knees to your chest for a while. These ways help to stop the hiccups. Hiccups. It is the repetitive uncontrolled contraction of diaphragm muscle. It is due to simple causes or otherwise gastroesophageal reflux disorder, sore throat, goiter, tumor, cyst in the throat, and nervous disorder. That's all about hiccups. If you have any suggestions, give your valuable comments in the comment box. Thanks for watching.